Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to learn the exercise of the poem. The name of the poem is The Earth is Round. Talk about the following with your teacher and then write the answers. First question is the dog kind? In what ways he is kind? Are you kind? The dog is kind. He offers the frog a ride for free. I am also kind. I offer my help to my friends if they ever need it. Is the earth flat or round? How do we know? The earth is round. It has been proven by science. Now pictures taken by space also prove it. Answer the following question. In the poem, where does the frog sit? On a log. Is the dog furry? Yes, it has long, thick fur. Do they go by car? No, the frog rides on the back of the dog. How long do they go for? For a whole day. Find words with the opposite meaning in the poem. Come, go, sad, happy, always, never, near, far, night, day. Make sentences using the words given above and the words you have found. First word is come. He will not come to school today. Go, I shall go home. Sad, he is sad today. Happy, he is not happy. Always, he always helps other. Never, you never help others. Near, he lives near my house. Far, the market is far from the house. Night, it was a dark night. Day, today is a beautiful day. Naming words. Find 5 naming words for things and 2 naming words for people. Mrs. Shahid and Mr. Shahid have a cat. Mrs. Shahid and Mr. Shahid. Naming word for people. They do not have a dog. Dog is a naming word for things. The cat is small. Cat. It is called Bubbles. Bubbles. It plays with a ball. Ball. It likes milk. Milk. Work in pairs. One of you speak the part of the dog, the other the frog. What will you say to each other? Boo boo. Boo boo to you. How do you do? Dog. Boo boo to you. Boo boo to you. Frog. I am hale and hearty. How do you do? Dog. Oh, will you come along with me? I am going to climb upon this tree. Frog. No need to climb upon it now when you have meat to eat below. Dog. But I have heard that trees are friends if only you don't cut their ends. Frog. The trees are friends I have heard about, but only to these who do not shoot. Can you add some more sentences to your conversation? Dog. The grass is lovely, sweet and soft. I like to lie on it but oft. Frog. The grass I like myself too much. It lets me hide from kites as such. Dog. Oh, grass is common friend of all. Frog. We like the grass, we big and small.